Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. This is chat app series. So in this video we will read all the friends from the Firebase database. So first of all we will fix few things. Go to view friend activity and here inside this load user we have to read another item. So here we have to fetch profession. So here we will create profession and here we will type simply profession. Okay, now create this variable as a global. So at the top here we will create another string variable. That's it. Now when we accept the friend request, we have to store this profession of that particular user. So so in this method, when current state is he sent pending request, we have to store another variable. So duplicate this line and simply change it into profession. And here we need to add that value. Okay. Now our friend request is completed. Now we will read all the friends from the Firebase database. So close all the activities and here we will create another activity that is friend activity. So right click on the package new and select empty activity and this is friend activity. So here I will type friend activity. Okay, now first of all go to main activity and here we will set click listener on the item of the friends. Here you can see here we have friend. Just remove this toast message and here we will create start activity and here we will create new intent because we are going to open that activity. So this is our main activity and target activity is our friend activity. That's it. Now when we click on friend menu, we will open friend activity. So first of all, we will design our activity. So go to text and here we will include our layout. So here we will include and select layout. We need to include our app bar. So select this app bar and give the ID and select app bar. Okay, now select recycler view. So here I will type recycler view. That will be match parent and give the ID. So here I will type recycler view. Just close it and go to design and set the constraint. So first select this app bar and add the constraint from the top, left and right. Okay, now select the recycler view and first change it into wrap content and add the constraint. Okay, change it into match parent and also match parent. Okay, now go to activity friend, this one, and here we will initialize variables. So I will create member variable toolbar, simply call it toolbar, and now this time recycler view and simply call it recycler view. So here we will initialize this toolbar equal to find view by id r.id.appbar and set support action bar and here we will pass simply toolbar dot get support action bar dot set title and here we will type friends. Okay, get support action bar dot set display home enable and here we will pass true. Okay, now initialize recycler view. So recycler view equal to find view by id r dot id dot recycler view and recycler view dot set layout manager new linear layout manager. Okay, here we will pass context. Okay, now we will use our Firebase UI recycler view to read all the friends. So for Firebase UI recycler view, we need model class. So here we will create friend model class. So I simply call it friends, hit the enter button and here we will create the variables. So if I open my database, here you can see two people are friend to each other. So we will create these variables. So we will create one by one. First one is profession. So private string profession and the second one profile image URL. Third one username and status. Okay, now press Alt Enter, make the constructor, select all the fields. Again press Alt Enter, select the constructor. Now this time empty constructor and click OK. Now we need getters and setters, so press Alt Insert and select getters and setters. Make sure select all the fields, hit the enter button. Okay. Make sure you have same spellings, otherwise your data will not be fetched. Okay, now we will create our single view for recycler view. So go to layout and here right click new and select layout resource file. And here we will give the name of this layout single view friend and click OK. Now we need to copy the code of this single view find friend. So control A, control C and go to single view friend and here we will paste all the code. Okay. Now go to our friend activity and here we will create Firebase UI recycler view. So Firebase recycler option and here we will pass over friend model class. So here is friends model class and I will simply call it option. Now we need Firebase recycler adapter. So here we need to pass two parameters. So first one is friend and second parameter is my view holder. So friend my view holder and I simply call it adapter. So now right click on this to create the class or you can press Alt Enter to create this class. Okay, now this class will be extended with view holder. So I will simply select this view holder and now here click on anywhere on this red line. So press Alt Enter to create the constructor. So now go back to friend activity and here we will create method load friends. Okay, here put inverted commas and like this. So press Alt Enter to create this method inside this activity. Okay, now we will initialize our recycler view adapter and options. So for this we need database reference. So here we will create Firebase auth, mauth and Firebase database, sorry it's database reference, mref and finally Firebase user, muser. Okay, now initialize it, mauth equal to Firebase auth.get instance, muser equal to mauth dot get current user. Now database reference, so mref equal to Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference dot child, and if I open my database here you can see here we have friends. We need to fetch the data under this node, so here we will pass our friends. Okay, now put a semicolon here. Now here we need to create our query and call it query. Now use mref dot order by child and here we will pass username dot start at and here we will pass s dot end at and here we will pass s and slash plus and add here slash inverted commas, sorry it's inverted commas and add slash and uf8 double f and put a semicolon here. Now we will initialize our option. So here we will create option equal to new Firebase recycler option and before this one we call builder method and here we will pass our friend class dot set query and here we will pass this query. So here first we will pass our query and second parameter is our class. So I will pass here friends dot class and finally we will call build method and that's it. Okay, now we will initialize our adapter equal to new Firebase recycler adapter and first put a semicolon here and here we will pass our option. Okay, now inside this method we will assign the data to our recycler view. So first of all we will inflate our layout. So here we will create view. We will access that layout that we have created. So view equal to view layout inflator dot from, and here we will pass parent dot get context dot inflate, and here we will pass r dot layout, sorry, r dot layout dot single view friend, and second parameter is over parent group. So again I will pass parent, and third parameter is over boolean attach. I will never attach anything to this recycler view, so here I will pass false. So now here I will access my view holder. So new friend my view holder, and here I will pass this view. Okay, now go to our friend view holder. So here is friend my view holder. So here we will create circle image view, because we are going to access all the variables. So profile image URL, and second one is our text view. So here we will create text view, that is username, and second one is our profession. Okay, I have initialized all the variables. So now go to friend activity, and here we will initialize the data. So here I will use Picasso dot get, and here we will call this method load, and here we will simply call model dot get profile image URL dot into, and here we will use holder dot profile image URL, and now we need to holder dot username dot set text, and here we will pass over model dot get username, and just duplicate this line and change it into profession, and also here get profession. Okay, now outside of this method, one more thing, here we have to pass child, and here we need to pass over user ID, because I want to read my friends. So here user dot get UID. Under this friend we have over user ID and dot get user ID. So here after this method, here we need to initialize adapter dot start listening, and recycler view dot set adapter, and here we need to pass adapter. Make sure you have add this, otherwise it will not read all the friends. So let's run the application. Okay, application is successfully running. So let's click on friend, and here you can see at this time I have only one friend. If I open my database, and here you can see two people are friend to each other, so this means we have only one friend. Okay, in the next video we will start over chat feature. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Take care.